welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a 0 to 60 in the 350Z. So basically I'm going to be doing it along this straight here so I can show you guys what the 0 to 60 is like. Nissan say it should be 5.9 seconds, so we're going to test that. What's going to happen is you're going to see a timer on the screen, so you'll be able to see the result, and hopefully we're going to hit 5.9 or even quicker would be better, but we're going to find out soon. We're out with the 350Z. I'm going to show you guys a couple of exhaust clips first, just so you can have a little listen to it, and then we're going to go straight on and go for the 0 to 60. We'll see you in a second. Ignore how absolutely filthy the car is. So, we're going to do a test along here. We're going to stop, put the handbrake on. 3, 2, 1. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It was just a short little video, just show you the 0 to 60 on the 350Z, show you a bit of revving so you can see how the car sounds. This is completely stock, there has been no modifications to the exhaust or anything like that. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.